Time to give us insights into the market. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, we had a nice day on Friday.
You bet we did. Friday, the Dow was up 118 points. It closed at 24,329 after a great jobs report. The economy added 238,000 new jobs in November, and the unemployment rate remained at 4.1%. Now, wage growth was up 2.5% from last November. The manufacturing sector's unemployment rate fell to a record low of 2.6%, which indicates the economy is solid and will remain solid for a while.
All right. With that being said, what's the story about two nonprofit hospitals in talks to merge?
Yes, two of the nation's largest nonprofit hospitals are in talks to merge, and it would create the nation's largest owner and operator of hospitals. Providence, St. Joseph, and Ascension are in talks to help compete in the changing landscape. If they merge, it would create an entity with 191 hospitals in 27 states, an annual revenue of $45 billion.
Is Ascension, that's here in St. Louis, isn't it?
Ascension? Well, I know there's an Ascension church. I don't know if there's an Ascension hospital.
Yeah, I don't know if we got to check on that.
It's not a local hospital, just the company's based here.
Just the company's. Oh, that's right. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. They don't have any hospitals here. They're just based here. All right, go figure that one. Yeah. All right, that's interesting. Now, what also is interesting, Scott Crothers and Stifel Nicholas, Bitcoin futures. What's going on there?
Right. This is kind of crazy. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what Bitcoin is. But the first Bitcoin future started trading last night at 5 p.m. on the Chicago Board of Options Exchange, Global Markets Exchange. The demand was so strong, the site had outages, and trading had to be stopped twice. Once when it jumped 10% and once when it jumped 20%. The January contract opened at 15,000 and jumped 11% in the first 6 minutes. Later on, it hit 18,000 and was halted again. Next week, the CME will launch their own options on Bitcoin, so we'll have two different exchanges to trade the future contracts.
All right. Now, I don't know anything about Bitcoins, and I know even less about futures, but because it's now openly traded on these markets, can you sell it short if you want to?
I would think you can.
Right.
Yes.
Right. So so I mean, what a world we live in. So sit back. If it's already straight up last week, and now they've stopped trading because it was going up even faster. Put your seatbelt on. This is going to be a ride, Scott Crothers.
Oh, I know, and I think Bitcoin, not that long, a year ago or so was maybe $500, and now it's 15,000. It's unreal, really.
Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. All right. Brookfield Properties, who are they?
Brookfield Properties, they offered $14.8 billion for the rest of General Growth Properties that it does not own, but the offer was rejected this morning. Brookfield already owns 34% of GGP, but wanted the rest of the company. Brookfield owns and operates office buildings and retail space, while General Growth Properties owns and operates shopping malls. So this deal would have created a giant property owner. We think the deal will get done just at a higher price that was offered.
All right, there you go. All right, and markets today after that nice run and those good numbers on Friday.
Yeah, well, today the Dow looks up 60 points on the futures this morning. We have a very busy week. We get the jolts today. The two-day Fed meeting starts tomorrow, and we expect her to raise rates on Wednesday. We also get the CPI and retail sales later in the week. So,
Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. We will talk to you tomorrow.